Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911 in the series of real-time experiences. Today we discuss a requirement. Let me show you first of all. This is my incident table. Let me open one incident. At the bottom we have one related link that is creating a child incident. Let me click on it. So you see here the message time taken in creating this child is this much microsecond. So what actually I am doing here, I am able to calculate the timing of execution. So how I am able to calculate that processing time? Let me show you that. This is the main thing. Okay. So the child is created here. Let me refresh this. This is the child, right? So now let's edit this UI action. This is a form link. At the bottom you have the script here. Let me open it. So you see here simple. So the API which is doing this calculation is this stopwatch. Okay. So I have declared the variable here. After that, a simple script that is used to create a child incident. I hope you don't have any problem in that. And then finally, in this message, I am using this toString function. So this function is displaying the whole processing which starts from here till here. Okay. So this is the requirement. Very interesting. So in case you want to calculate the processing time, you just need to declare the variable here and then finally use this function at the end of your query. Then it will calculate the time accordingly. You will find this complete query in the article of ServiceNow Spectacular. I have written the article here. Okay, click on it. You see the whole step and the whole code is available. You just need to copy this and use it wherever you want. Okay, so I hope you understand this requirement. Let us know your doubts in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.